CA Technologies is proud to present the Techline Junior Glaze Gun video. In this video, we will cover the basic gun setup and operation of the 3 nozzle combinations included in this kit. The accuracy and speed of application process will minimize application time, increasing profit on each door you produce. Your imagination teamed with the TJR-GLAZE Gun kit, any decorative options are possible. The Techline Junior kit includes the following items: the gun handle, the glaze tip for doing the fine lines and the profiles, the round spray fine finish tip for doing a light spray in the profiles, your standard atomization nozzle with an 1.5 to a 6-inch pattern, the 2 needles to go in combination with the fluid nozzles, assembly and disassembly wrench, and a cleaning brush, all packaged in this kit. In this demonstration, we're going to show you the touch-up spray nozzle. It uses the 1.2 fluid nozzle tip and the 10-12 needle. With this, you're going to use atomizing air control, side port or fan control, and fluid control knob on the back side of the gun. This can be used for spraying the glazes, thin top coats. You can use it for crackle finishes and just about all general common finishes. With this, we've got the stain set up into it on this piece of cardboard. We're just going to do a little touch up here and take a look at the pattern. As you can see, as it sprays out with the glaze, it's good for doing general wide areas of finish. We can open up the fluid control knob on the back of the gun, increase the fluid flow so we get a little bit more flow. At which point we can take our door, and for a lot of finishes, they like to coat the whole door. And we can do that with this particular gun, coating the whole door, or certain areas that you want to do a type of finish or a type of look that you're looking for here. And then you can take this, use your Scotch-Brite, and rub it out. In this basic demo, we're going to show you the fine finish round spray nozzle. With this, you're going to use the 0.8 round nozzle and the 0508 needle. It's a little bit longer needle with a longer taper. With this, we're going to use atomizing air, the air control, fluid control, and we're going to leave the side port or pattern air open. With this, we can spray a real fine pattern depending on the distance that you are from the workpiece that you're working on. By adjusting that, feathering the trigger, we can do fine lines. Pulling back the trigger a little bit further, you get it to go on just a little bit heavier. What's good for this is spraying into the door profiles in these type of areas where you want more of a sprayed look into the profiles. You pull the trigger along, spray it right into those little door profiles, gets a look that you're looking for here. Moving in a little bit closer, you get a finer line, you can pour it on a little heavier. Back off a little bit, it gives you a more atomized pattern across the door. Great for getting into these little areas of the profiles. In this demonstration, we're going to use the needle tip for glazing to do the fine line. We're not going to have any atomizing air to come into the gun. The only control we're going to use is the fluid control knob on the back of the gun to adjust the fluid flow for our line. With this, you actually lay the needle against the board or door or surface that you're going to finish. Start moving your hand, pull the trigger, and it leaves a fine line across the board. So when you start, you're going to hold the board, lay your needle in, start moving your hand, pull the trigger, and you can pull it across the board, leaving a line. As you get used to doing this, you can get up to a whole lot faster. By opening up the fluid control knob on the back of the gun, you can increase the flow and start moving once again, pull it across. You can come right across the board, all the way across again, leaving that line in the profiles, just like that.